रहा है, उतना पहले कभी नहीं हुआ। आज देश के ज्यादातर गांव हाईवेज, एक्सप्रेसवे और रेलवे के नेटवर्क से जुड़ रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री ग्राम सड़क योजना के तहत 10 साल में ग्रामीण इलाकों में करीब 4 लाख किलोमीटर लंबी सड़कें बनाई गई हैं। डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के मामले में भी हमारे गांव 21वीं सदी के आधुनिक गांव बन रहे हैं। हमारे गांव के लोगों ने उन लोगों को झुठला दिया है जो सोचते थे कि गांव के लोग डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी अपना नहीं पाएंगे।
Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan revealed that 3.54 crore houses have been allotted under the PM Awas Yojana rural in the past decade, with 2.86 crore homes completed by March last year. He highlighted the swift progress in rural housing, noting that the construction time per house has drastically reduced from 314 days to just 114 days. Additionally, Chauhan announced plans to build 2 crores more houses in the next 5 years, with an investment of 3.06 lakh crore. This effort is part of the government's ongoing commitment to improving rural infrastructure and providing affordable housing to citizens.
ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना, मैं आंकड़ों में नहीं जा रहा, 10 सालों में 3.45 करोड़ घर निर्मित किए गए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के अंतर्गत मार्च 2024 तक 2.95 करोड़ के लक्ष्य के विरुद्ध 2.68 करोड़ घर पूरे हो गए, जिनमें पूर्ववर्ती आवास भी 77 लाख जो पहले लंबित थे वो भी पूरे किए हैं। मैं इसके लिए आपको बधाई देता हूं। गत 8 वर्षों में प्रतिदिन 10,000 घर बनाए जा रहे हैं, ये अपने आप में रिकॉर्ड है।
The Voice of the People's Party officially announced its candidates for the 5 constituencies in Ribhoi district ahead of the upcoming elections. The announcement event was attended by prominent leaders including Dr. Ricky Ejik Singkon, MP from Shillong, and Bright Star Well Marbanyang, MLA of Meghalaya. Dr. Kara H. Chen, chairman of the VPP State Election Committee, introduced the candidates, who are as follows: Apkerman Lingdo from Jirang, Matthew Kenneth Makdok from Nongpo, Banrikus Nongsteng from Umsning, Kinjolang Rangthong from Mauhati, and Isnei Hing from Umroi.
Ladangin yo mental namtip kay kemenjai jaga lasai kalasiski kecompi kecuma kay kemenjai kalau ini poni nama sham happy badana.
Mickey Douglas Same, former MDC candidate from Umroi and working president of the Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum, UCPF, has joined the Congress party, sparking speculation about his candidacy in the upcoming MDC elections. The formal induction ceremony in Umroi was attended by senior Congress leaders, while Same has not made public comments. Sources suggest he is awaiting the party's official candidate announcement. His departure from UCPF following internal disputes over the MDC ticket has caused friction, with some members accusing him of betrayal, especially after George B. Lingdo stepped aside for Same's candidacy. This move could alter Umroi's political landscape ahead of the elections. The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee has initiated training for its candidates and leaders ahead of the upcoming KHADC and GHADC elections. Congress leader Manuel Batwar explained that the training aims to familiarize candidates with the key issues to be highlighted during the campaign. He emphasized the importance of unanimity in addressing these issues to effectively seek voter support.
Now, performance, every the whole idea behind these trainings is not necessarily to train only the candidates. Nilaya train ki block presidents, because we have the Congress Party has an organization, right, at each and every block. Nilaya train ki block president with election management basically, okay. And then for the candidates, but we've given quite comprehensive training in terms of understanding the district council. What is the meaning of district council? What does it do? How does it protect our rights? How does it protect our way of life, and so on and so forth? The kumno bakinia chirim chineng ban suthu ikipat baru. So we've done I think it's a very, very good training session. So one for for the Khasi Hills District Council, one for the Janta Hills District Council.
The Government of India released draft rules under the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 today, aimed at protecting citizens' personal data from cyber threats. In an exclusive interview with Doordarshan News, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav emphasized that the Act imposes strict penalties for data breaches. Additionally, the rules mandate parental consent for children's use of social media platforms. Vaishnav reassured that the government is committed to ensuring robust data security and privacy measures to safeguard sensitive information. In response to concerns over the HPMV virus outbreak in China, Dr. Atul Gaul from the Directorate General of Health Services assured the public that there is no cause for alarm. He explained that pneumovirus is similar to other respiratory viruses, often causing common cold symptoms, and can lead to flu-like symptoms in vulnerable populations such as the elderly and young children. Dr. Gaul emphasized that India has seen no significant increase in respiratory outbreaks in 2024, and hospitals are well prepared with adequate supplies and beds. He urged the public to take basic precautions such as avoiding close contact when sick and using prescribed cold and fever medicines, while reassuring that there is no immediate threat to public health.
Metapneumovirus is like any other respiratory virus which causes a common cold. And in the very old and the very young, it could cause flu-like symptoms. However, we have analyzed the data of the respiratory outbreaks within the country. There is no substantial increase in December 2024 data, and no cases which have been reported in large numbers from any of our institutions. One thing I would like to convey to the public is to take the general precautions that we use against all respiratory infections, which means in case somebody has cough and cold, he should avoid coming in contact with a lot number of people so that the infection does not spread.
Hokato Hotoze Sema, Nagaland's first Paralympic bronze medalist, has been chosen to receive the esteemed Arjuna Award for his remarkable contributions to sports. Expressing his gratitude, Sema thanked the Indian Army for their unwavering support, recalling his journey that began in 2001. After surviving a mine blast during an operation in 2002, he pursued athletics, earning several national and international medals, including a bronze in the 2024 Paralympic Games.
मेरा लाइफ जर्नी जो है 2001 में मैंने इंडियन आर्मी ज्वाइन किया है और 2002 में मैं जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में मेरा यूनिट डिप्लॉय था, वहाँ पे गया है। तो ऑपरेशन के दौरान एक माइन ब्लास्ट हुआ था अनफॉर्चुनेटली। उसके बाद जो ही मैं एम्पुटेशन होना पड़ा। उसका काफ़ी साल मैंने 2016 तक यूनिट में रहा है। उसके बाद 2016 में मैंने ये पारालंपिक गेम्स होता है बोल के मैं पता चला है। उसके बाद मैंने ज्वाइन किया है। उसके बाद मैं काफ़ी ट्रेनिंग किया भी है। 2017 में मैं फर्स्ट नेशनल चैंपियनशिप खेला है और काफ़ी उसके बाद जो काफ़ी मैं नेशनल इंटरनेशनल मेडल बहुत मिला भी है।
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature recorded 13 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature recorded 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 67%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 7.8 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 18.8 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 52%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 52%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juai says that dry weather is likely in most places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. PM Modi inaugurates Gramin Bharat Mahotsav 2025, highlights rural empowerment. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announces 3.54 crore homes built under PM Awas Yojana. Voice of the People's Party reveals its candidates for the upcoming elections. MD Same joins Congress Party amidst MDC election speculations. And MPCC conducts training for candidates ahead of KHADC and GHADC polls. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.